Might be the reason, like in our next release it may come, but now we have only non package components and package components, that is both. Okay, so what does this mean? Percent of total scope. First of all, we should remember percent of total scope will where we will find on the product option page, because we are considering a bundle here. Computer is a bundle. Okay, farewell. I don't know whether it is a bundle or it's a standalone product. It doesn't matter, but we are considering this computer as a bundle. Now, inside this bundle, we have some options. Inside this option, we will find a field called percent of total scope. Whatever will be the value, based on that it will behave. So suppose you are means making the value as none. So how it will calculate? It will calculate like 3. See, suppose you want to calculate the percent of total for shipping insurance. Shipping insurance is one of the option for computer bundle. Monitor is one of the option. Laser printer is one of the option. Toner is option inside option. That means it's a nested bundle kind of. It's a nested bundle. Okay. So how it will calculate? 2400 plus 700 plus 200, 275, 125. Total I think is coming 3700. Right. So if you will make it as none, then it will calculate all the products whatever is are present in the quote line and sum up all the products and apply the 10% discount on that. Then it will come the new value as 370. Okay. If you will select package, then only bundle value will be calculated. Only the bundle, computer bundle value will be calculated 700, 10% of $770. If you'll package is nothing but the bundle, you remember package is nothing but the bundle, so it will consider the bundle value. Component is nothing but the options, so it will calculate only the options. 200 plus 275, so 475 into 10%, so 47.50. Package plus component, that means bundle plus component or options. Bundle plus options, so computer plus options, these three, and into 10%. Okay, entire hierarchy means computer, this one, and this one, but not the other products. None means it will consider the other products. Entire hierarchy means only it will consider the bundle, also included with the nested bundle. Okay, like that it will calculate. This is called the percent of total scope field usage. Okay, and this field you will find it on product option label, not on the product. So you always remember percent of total scope. This field you will find on the product option, because you are applying this percent of total for bundle. Whenever you are applying a percent of total on bundle case, you should remember, okay, inside option there is a field called percent of total scope, where we need to set some values based on the requirement. Okay, then only the behavior will change. Okay, any doubt here for this percent of total with bundle?
Asit,
Yeah.
so as percent of total can be applied on bundle also.
Hmm.
Can block and cost markup also be applied on bundle, or it is only on standalone?
You can apply block on bundle also, and you can see how it behaves, because block pricing also, block where you can see the block pricing on the product related list.
Yes.
So even if a bundle, that is also a product,
Yeah.
right? So if you'll apply a product, block pricing on the bundle or that product, definitely it will behave, means it will work, right?
Okay. And then
but
for
but the behavior you should check whether it is applying only for that bundle pricing or for
or
the
all the.
options.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay, I can check it in my free time and I will let you know.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay, so okay, next concept is to include or not include. What is this concept? So as I told, so we have two types of products, as I told: subscription and non-subscription product. Percent of total is basically applied to the non-subscription product type. Okay, so by default CPQ will apply percent of total for non-subscription product type. If you want to suppose in your quote line you have added product A, B, C, D, E. You want to calculate the percent of total for E product, and all these product are non-subscription product. Then it will consider A, B, C, D, everything. But you want to exclude product D from that calculation. That time there is a checkbox called exclude from percent of total. If you will click on that checkbox, then that particular non-subscription product will be excluded from the calculation. As I said, by default it will be applied on the non-subscription product, but you can apply it on the subscription product also. But that time the calculation will be something different. The non-subscription product will also behaves like a, sorry, the subscription product will also behaves like a non-subscription product. How? Suppose consider you are having a Netflix, okay, and you are paying $10 per month for Netflix subscription. $10 per month means yearly how much you are paying? 10 into 12, that means $120. Suppose on the quote, when you are preparing the quote, we have a subscription term field. So you are mentioning 12, 2 years or 24 months. So for 12 months you are paying 120. For 2 years, $240. But no, if you have included the percent of total, that time it will work for as a $10, means whatever will be the price book price, base price, that will be considered. Okay, it won't consider the subscription or proration rate. Okay, it will behave like a non-subscription product. So that checkbox is include in percent of total. One is exclude in percent of total, another one is include in percent of total. Let me just show it to you. See, include in percent of total, exclude from percent of total. So by default, for non-subscription products, percent of total will work. If you want to exclude any non-subscription product, then check this box. If you want to exclusively apply this percent of total for any subscription product, then include this box so that it will be applied. But that time, whatever will be the price for their product, suppose let's say this is Netflix. Okay, this is a subscription product. Whatever you have defined here in the price book price, that will be considered. Not, it will not consider any subscription term or on the quote level subscription term. Simply it will take this amount and it will apply. Okay, so to include any subscription product, check that include in percent of total box. Exclude any non-subscription product, check that exclude from percent of total. This is the concept. Any doubt, any question?
So if we selected the percent of total scope as a none and we have excluded one of the product from the product bundle,
Hmm.
then what will be happen? It will consider all the product or it will exclude one of the product. Because if we are selecting none, it should exclude all the product, right?
No, no, no. This exclude include is on the product level. See, this is on the product level, not on the product option level.
Yes, but it's for bundle as well, right?
No, 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 no. For a standalone product also you can apply.
It's not for bundle.
No, 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 no. Means you
This
can apply it for bundle, you can apply it for standalone product.
but
Both the
in
case.
like
Ah,
we have suppose we have
suppose
considering the telecommunication workstation, right?
suppose
And
this is
in
the scenario. This is a
okay,
standalone product and this is a bundle,
okay,
and you have marked exclude from percent of total for this computer. That means this part won't be considered. Only this thing will be considered.
but in the option we have included the none as a percent of total scope.
Correct. But you are excluding this bundle itself.
Then this part won't be the
No,
it means the include or exclude will be the override the none.
override. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So you need to remember that one. Okay. Now percent of total category. Okay. Any other question before proceeding?
No.
Okay. So, okay. Percent of total category. Let me find out this field. Yeah, this is the field. Click edit. Percent of total category. So hardware, software here. So this is a custom field. Okay, we can include anything here. Percent of total category is like hardware, software. Here in this case, suppose we have given anything XYZ or anything. This hardware if I'll select. So what will happen if I'll select hardware category? Okay, and on the quote label, let me just show a quote. On the quote label, let's say this is hardware, this is software. Okay, and category is hardware, then it will include only hardware products. It will consider the hardware products, not the software one. Clear or any doubt? If you are making category as the particular product family, or let's say for any means particular product name or anything, so it will consider only that product. Here in this case hardware is a family, so it will consider only that hardware family products, not the software one.
Yes, got it.
Clear? Yeah, so this is how the percent of total category works. Okay, so you can try this example. That's it, I think. Okay, let me just go through this. Okay, percent of total constraint. So one more field. Let me just tell you this one. Let me edit it. Okay, percent of total constraint. We have two values: list price minimum, list price maximum. I have only used for this list, not with other products. So I am not sure whether we can use any other values here, but as far as I know, this can only work for these two products only. Means these two values only. What is this mean? So list price is minimum, list price is maximum means if you are putting list price is minimum. Suppose this product shipping insurance, that list price is $5. Okay, and here your percent of total is coming as $200 when you are calculating on the code. So here you have put the constraint as list price is minimum. That means below $5 it won't take. Suppose the product base price or price book price is $5. Here you are calculating, and the percentage of total after 10% of total it is coming as $4. It won't apply $4, rather it will apply $5, because list price is the minimum price. Minimum, beyond minimum price, below minimum price it won't go. Similarly, if we'll apply list price as maximum, that means if the price book price is $5, here you are calculating the in quote it is coming as $200. So above $5 it won't go. So maximum will be your list price, that is $5. So whether it will be $6, $7, $5, sorry, $10 or $200, $2,000, anything it is coming on the quote, it will show you as $5 because list price is your maximum. This is the difference. Any doubt here for this constant field?
No,
Clear, right? So if
yeah,
we are putting this list price is maximum or minimum, based on that, on the quote level, this percent of total also the behavior will change. Okay, so we should check. Sometimes what happen in our real time scenario, you will see you have applied the percentage total, but it is not applying correctly. You should check this field. why this is behaving like this. Okay, these are the fields: category, constraints, okay, base fields. Okay, so these are the main important fields and the percent of total. So you can go through these examples and do this hands-on, then you will understand. I think it's better to stop here for today. What do you think? Should I proceed with other module, means other topic, or should I stop?
It's enough for today.
Okay, fine. Then tomorrow we will see uh, account-based contracting price. Okay, option pricing overriding is there. So this one we will see account pricing and manual override. We'll complete in this week. So with this pricing method will be completed, then discounting schedule we will start. Then price rule. Okay, let me stop my recording.